today's video, I am going to show you how to create a VHS effect in Premiere Pro. We can achieve the VHS effect in Premiere Pro using some built-in effects. So, let's get started. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see on the timeline, I have got a stock video clip. To create a VHS effect, we have to apply some effects. Firstly, from the project panel, we have to create an adjustment layer. And then, let's click on OK. After that, let's drag and drop the adjustment layer to the timeline in Video Layer 2. In the next step, move over to the Effects panel to apply an effect. This is a tint effect. Let's drag and drop the tint effect to the adjustment layer. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel to customize the tint effect. Firstly, let's change the color of the map black parameter. I am going to use a very dark, mostly black orange-brown tone color. By the way, you can use any color. As you can see on the program monitor, our color has been applied. In the next step, we have to create an ellipse mask. Let's click on this Create Ellipse Mask option. Now, you can see on the program monitor, an ellipse mask has been created. Next, we have to increase and resize the mask edges. You can follow me to create a perfect mask. Alright, as you can see, the mask should look like this. After that, let's make the mask feather value around 563. And then, we have to make the mask expansion value around 278. In the next step, from the program monitor, let's select the mask. And then, hold the Shift key from the keyboard. After that, drag and move the mask to the top side. The position of the mask should look like this. Alright, in the next step, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply an effect. This is a Wave Warp effect. Let's drag and drop the Wave Warp effect to the adjustment layer. Again, I am going to apply another effect. This is a Noise HLS Auto effect. Let's drag and drop the Noise HLS Auto effect to the adjustment layer. Go to the Effect Controls panel to customize the Wave Warp effect and the Noise HLS Auto effect. Firstly, let's customize the Wave Warp effect. From the Wave Type parameter, we have to select Square. And then, let's make the Wave Height parameter value around 20. After that, we have to make the Wave Width parameter value around 693. Now you can see the changes on the program monitor. Next, let's make the Direction parameter value around 180 degrees. And then, we have to make the Wave Speed parameter value around 0.1. After that, from the Pinning parameter, let's select all edges. Now, you can see the changes on the program monitor. It looks like a VHS effect. It looks great. In the last step, let's customize the Noise HLS Auto effect to add some noise to the video footage. From the Noise parameter, we have to select Grain. And then, let's make the Lightness parameter value around 15%. Now you can see on the program monitor, some noise has been applied. And lastly, we have to make the Grain Size parameter value around 0.50. Alright, now we are done. Our VHS effect creation is complete. Let's preview. It looks great. In this way, you can create a convincing VHS effect in Premiere Pro and add a nostalgic touch to your videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.